Hello everyone, in this video I want to show you how to create an invisible folders and documents in your desktop of Windows 10. So follow me to the end of this video. Okay, so this is a great way of storing that you want to keep private documents or sensitive documents, and let's go to do this. Normal way, people click right on desktop and create new folder, and then click right on the folder, select properties and click on hidden, and then press OK. But this method has a problem that someone knows this method and you can't hide this folder forever. Now the way to make this even more hidden, to go about it is click right on your desktop, create a new folder and click right on the name of the folder. Go insert Unicode control character and select inhibit symmetric swapping, then press enter. Now this folder has no name, and now I want to change the icon that folder. To do this, click right on your folder and go properties, go on customize and change icon. Scroll the mouse and select one of these three icons and then press OK and OK again. Now you can see icon is gone, but you can still see this square. So all we need to do here and click properties and select hidden. Now got no file showing now. Okay, so let's go ahead and this is very difficult to detect this folder, and the name of this folder is empty. So if they did a search for this folder, they are unlikely to find it on your computer. Okay, it's done, and I hope this video was helpful for you, and let me know if you have any questions or comments here down below, and thank you again for watching this video. Bye for now.